Hello, hello! Let's assemble an apex cage. We're putting together a 3x2x2, one of our basic building blocks. Get to know your cage. Your cage consists of two side pieces, a back and a front, and a top and a base. There's also your window and hardware. To start your assembly, take the two side pieces and lay them down on the floor. Check that the angles along the border of the piece are pointing down towards the ground, almost like an arrow. Next, take the back piece. Check the angles along the border. They should point outward. Line up the pieces and with slight pressure, insert the back piece into the side piece. Start on one end as you see here. This will help it line up. Repeat the same thing with the front piece, inserting it into the second side piece to make an identical second L. Now that you have your two L's, we're going to turn them over. We're assembling this upside down, so all the vents should be closer to the ground. Line up the two L's and join them the same way as before to finish off the walls for your enclosure. Take the base piece. This one is the one without any wire pockets. Starting towards the back of the enclosure, line up the piece and press down to pop it in. At this point, secure the base with the screws included in your hardware kit. Last piece to go on is the top, but leave it off until you've attached your heat and light fixtures. This piece is the one with the wire pockets that go towards the back of the enclosure.